So you have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and the SD card. Very, very simple. So let me start from the beginning here. So first thing you got to do is go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. It should look something like this. You can use any other phone SIM ejection tool, or if you don't have this laying around, it comes in your box. If it's not in your box, you can use like a thin bobby pin here, or a paper clip here, bobby pin, even the back of a stud earring, as long as it has like a thin needle, okay? Anyways, go ahead and bring your phone, look on the top of your phone, and you see this hole right here, and you see the tray right here. Don't put it in this hole. This hole here is the mic. You want to go over here. So go ahead and put the pin in there. Put a little bit of pressure till the lip pops out, just like that. Then go ahead and slide it out with your hands, like that. Now go ahead and grab this and make sure the pin is on the bottom right-hand side, just like this. Go ahead and grab your SIM card. You can see this diagonal slant right there, cut right there. Same as on the SIM card. So if you just want to match this up perfectly, you might hear like a little snap. Okay, make sure that it's in. It's not going to fall out. And the same thing with the SD card. You want to line it up just like this. And we're just going to go ahead and place it on top and press down till you hear like a little snap. There we go. Go ahead and grab your phone. We're going to go ahead and pop this on here, and I'm going to slide it right in. And then you should see it finding. Okay, so it says searching right now. Now I just found my T-Mobile. I can see my mobile bars up there. So my SIM card is up and running. Okay, now let me go ahead and make sure that my SD card is in properly as well. I can just slide down here, and I can see it says SD card here. Tap to transfer media files. So I know my SD card is in there. But if you want to go ahead and format it, what you can do is just slide up, go into your settings here, and then you want to scroll down to where it says device care. Tap on device care. Oops. Oh, then tap on storage right here. And now you should see SD card here. Right below it says advanced. Okay. Tap on advanced. And then right here, SD card, go ahead and tap on that right there. And here's format right here. Tap on that. Click on format SD card. Remember, you're formatting the SD card is erasing everything on the SD card. So I'm starting off fresh here. The max SD card for this S20, the S20 models is 1 terabyte. Take note. Anyways, I'm up and running. Good luck.